Hello everyone, want to show you some of the stuff I'm working on. I've got order to rebuild this knife because the scales broke. It's a Normark. I know it as a Big Sweet, but the problem with this, you want wooden scales. But these are the liners, just a piece of brass. The problem is, if you're gonna make liners out of this, wooden scales for this all is very breakable. So I have to make new full stainless liners. So I'm gonna touch the scales and we're basically finishing the knife. So yeah, that's it for this video. Well, I'm gonna show you. That's it for now. See you guys later. Bye. So yeah, and here's a knife with the scales. Still needs to sharpen. Still need to sharpen it, but let's see if I can get some more light. That's a bit better. Yeah, it's a mess over here right now. But yeah, so these are the scales. It's a very hard lock to close, but also it has a lanyard hole right here. It's hard to get it out because I over tighten it a bit. So yeah, it got removable scales, so if he wants the scales removed, he can do that and basically make new scales. So also I'm working on some new stuff. Well, I just finished some new stuff, but that's for another video. Also another knife that he wanted me to put a handle on. It's this thing. Just cheap, made in China survival knife. It used to have a paracord wrap handle on it. So only one hole in it, the lanyard hole. So I have to put another hole in it for the pins because the seal is already hardened. It was a big problem to do that. Well, I managed, but I have to grind the slit in it. Then with the diamond bit of the Dremel tool, made the hole so it nicely fit. But it works. Also need to sharpen this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a really good edge on it, but because the nylon sheet. So yeah, these knives are done. This knife's just repaired. So yeah, that's it for this video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.